Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds and Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how easy you can connect Buds to your Galaxy Wearable application. So at the first we have to get this app from the Play Store, so let's go there. Tap on the search pool and for example we can type here Buds. And we have to get this application Galaxy Wearable, so click install. And now just wait until it finishes download. Right now click open, tap get started, and here we have to scroll down and select scan for nearby devices. Click allow and accept all of the permissions. Turn on location, go back, accept all of them, and right now just open the charging case of your Buds. And right now they are in our available devices, so just simply tap on them, accept the pair, click OK, and we have also downloaded the plugin to our Galaxy Buds, so let's install. And right now just open the background apps and go back to Galaxy Wearable application. Let's click allow, tap agree. We can skip this step and we can adjust it with the later things. So okay, we can turn it on and tap the switcher to Galaxy Buds, click allow, go back, click next. And here we get the preview about the touch controls. Click finish. And as you can see right now it's all set. Click here OK. And right here we got also the percent of the battery of the left and the right earbuds. And here we can also update our software. We can disconnect. And we can also just, for example, use this about earbuds instruction and go for the tips like it was in the preview. But you know, that's how we can easily connect them to this app. I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.